Can you see yourself in the 2021 Jeep Compass? With less than 70,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. The Compass gives you the latest safety technology, rugged capability, and upscale sophistication, all wrapped up in a compact, sporty SUV. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, keyless entry, fog lamps, heated mirrors, satellite radio, backup camera, electronic stability control, aluminum wheels, heated front seat, alarm. Feel safe and secure when you explore your world in the Compass. Take a test drive today.